Hi everyone! Today, we're mastering the advantages and disadvantages essay in IELTS Writing Task 2. We'll deconstruct a Band 5.5 response and rebuild it into a sophisticated Band 7 Plus essay. We'll analyze it using the 4 official criteria: task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. Let's get started. Here's our task. It asks us to weigh the pros and cons of a common trend. Here's a Band 5.5 attempt. Now this is what we need to fix. To get the most out of this video, I suggest you pause it and rewrite the essay with all the changes you would make to get Band 7 or higher. After that, you can see if we have similar ideas. Alright, let's break it down, criterion by criterion. For task response, the introduction must effectively paraphrase the topic and clearly signal the essay structure. The 5.5 intro is clumsy and contains errors. This upgraded introduction is far more effective. It uses sophisticated paraphrasing. Persons are deciding for living alone becomes the trend of solo living is becoming increasingly prevalent. More importantly, it specifically forecasts the arguments personal freedom versus social isolation and financial pressure. This provides a clear, detailed roadmap for the examiner. For coherence and cohesion, we must use a range of cohesive devices and ensure each paragraph has a clear controlling idea. The 5.5 essay has weak topic sentences and confusing pronoun referencing. This is an exemplary topic sentence. The phrase, perhaps the most significant advantage of, is a classic and highly effective way to introduce the main benefit. It replaces the vague and grammatically incorrect opening and avoids the confusing pronoun this by stating the idea clearly. Now for vocabulary. We need to replace awkward, unnatural, and incorrect words with precise and less common lexical items. Using the correct form of the word loneliness instead of lonely is fundamental. Furthermore, using sophisticated pairings like benefits and drawbacks shows lexical flexibility and precision. This demonstrates to the examiner that you can use language with the nuance of an expert user. Finally, grammar. A Band 7 Plus essay must be mostly free of errors and demonstrate the confident use of various complex structures. The first correction fixes a basic modal verb error. The upgraded sentence also uses a more sophisticated prepositional phrase to express the idea. The second correction fixes a spelling error and expands the idea with a subordinate clause, adding detail and complexity. Now let's review the transformation. The 5.5 essay is a confusing and error-filled attempt. The 7 Plus essay is a balanced, well-supported, and eloquently written academic analysis. Mastering all 4 essay types is crucial for a high score. In my free bi-weekly webinars, we cover all of them with real examples and live Q&A. Get your invitation by clicking the link in my bio and subscribing to my mailing list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!